Hello guys, myself Rajesh Varman. I am a student of Mathema College. Today we will discuss about carbon ions, which is one of the most vital topic in organic chemistry. We discuss on this four topic. First is introduction of carbon ions, second is formation of carbon ions, and third is characteristic of carbon ion, and fourth is relative stability of carbon ions. So let's discuss on this topic, the introduction of carbon ion. So we have to know what is carbon ion. Carbon plus anion is equals to carbon ion. Carbon ion is an anion which have unshared pair of electron, and it is negatively charged. As some example, we can take methyl carbon ion, then ethyl carbon ion. Then we will discuss the second topic, its formation. In this formation, carbon atom connected with Y atom. The electronegativity of Y atom is less than carbon atom. We can write electronegativity of carbon is more than electronegativity of Y. The carbon atom takes away both electrons towards himself and acquire the negative charge, then we can write it's negative, and while it's lose his electrons and acquire the positive charge. In this process we can make a carbon ion. This is carbon ion. Let's discuss our third topic, its feature. At first, they are ions and highly unstable. Second is they have electron-rich carbon atom having 8 electron in its valence shell. And third is the hybridization of carbon is sp3. And fourth is they have pyramidal geometry made with 3 bond pair and 1 lone pair. And fifth is they are diamagnetic in nature. At first, we discuss its stability: 1 degree, 2 degree, and 3 degree carbocations stability. The stability order is this: it is more stable, then and last is this. Why it is being more stable and why it is being less stable? So in this tertiary carbon ion, there is 3 R group. And carbon has negative charge. The nature of R groups is pushes the electrodensity towards the carbon atom. It will this. Then the charge magnitude of carbon atom increases. We know that if the charge magnitude increases, the stability will decrease. So we can write number of R group increases, so the stability will decreases. In 2 degree there is 2 R group, so it will be more stable than it. and in 1 degree there is one R group, so it will be more stable than 2 or 3. In 0 degree there is not any R group, so it will be more stable than 1, 2 and 3 degree carbon anions. Now we find the more stable one between benzylic and allylic carbanium. This is benzylic carbanium and this is allylic carbanium. The electrons are will distribute in these types. This benzylic carbanium has 4 resonating structure and allylic carbanium has 2 resonating structure. The charge distribution of benzylic carbanium is more than allylic carbanium. So we know that the stability increases with increasing the charge distribution of electron. So benzylic is more stable, this one. Now the topic is relative stability of all carbanions.